Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my meal planner. It is a meal planning layout from the Happy Planner, which is new this year, and I am planning for April 11th through the 17th. I'll be using the Wellness sticker book that is brand new in the spring release. I really enjoy the book and it has really muted tones, so that's what I decided. But while I pick my stickers, I wanted to say thank you if you are joining me for the first time. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you are coming back to me, thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me yet again. I really appreciate you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is cover up ingredients to prep, because as you guys know, I don't use that in that fashion. This is the section where I create my trackers for medicine, sleep, steps, mood, and calories. I like to see where I am on daily basis, kind of self-check-in. So that's what I have been doing for myself. And I'm looking for stickers that I'll be able to use to keep this going. So I found these that say keep moving, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use those and add more of these circles to the bottom to be able to keep up. So that's what I'm doing. Look at these muted colors. They're so beautiful in this book. They're like all of the blues and greens and sages. It's just beautiful. So I need 7 of those. I'll keep going. I need 1 more, and I don't think they have any more, so let me find another one. Keep moving. There's that one, so I'm just gonna use that on Sunday. I am thankful for being able to move my body and so on, so that's I think very much in line with what I'm going for here. Okay, so a little bit of washi tape to cover up that ingredients to prep. I hope if they come out with a meal planner layout again, that ingredients to prep will not be there, because again, I love this planner. I think it's been great. It is a little challenging to decorate because you don't want to cover too many boxes to keep it functional, so that's where it becomes challenging, but outside of that, I think it's been pretty great. So I'm just adding the 2 circles that I need to finish my trackers. Okay, and let's keep going. I'll add some of these really beautiful quotes. So I'm just using a white pen to remove those lines. Learn to rest in nature. That's probably the best rest that you can have, like amongst trees and plants. And lots of oxygen, which is awesome. An adventure is calling and I must go. Isn't that true? Like, when you feel like you're overwhelmed, you just have to do something. Okay, and now I'm just flipping through the sticker book, trying to find suitable stickers for the rest of the spread. Like I said, this is beautifully neutral, but I want to make sure that I stick to color scheme and that it's still balanced. Refresh. It's a realistic sticker, but I really like it. And then I am covering up this neck area for Monday, so I might have to write it out somewhere else, which is okay. And then on Sundays, we usually don't eat breakfast, we have brunch, so that's perfectly okay. Friday is the Friday before Easter, so again, I will be fasting most of the day. Maybe I think I'm allowed to have one meal that day, but it contains no meat, so there'll be that. And sunset, slow down, enjoy the sunshine. All of these quotes are just very spring and really, really beautiful. How will I grow today? And so on. They're just beautifully done. And like I said, these colors are just gorgeous and they really, really resonate well with me. So I'm going to go ahead and keep adding elements. I'm going to add this sidebar box for myself. And the reason is I will probably do some actual meal planning in there for the week, and then once we have the meal, I actually track it and then put down how much we ate and the calories, because like I said, I've been keeping count of my calories, which is great. I'm gonna add a few of those hands because they're super pretty. Like that. Gorgeous, right? So just couple more elements to balance this out, and I think I will be good. Like I said, this book is absolutely stunning, so if you don't have it, this is definitely one I would recommend. And then I'm just adding some smaller bits and pieces to this spread. But like I said, the book is absolutely lovely. Surround yourself with beauty. Sometimes I like to add some quotes on the bottom as well. Nurtured through nature. Now let me see if I can add maybe some page flags to the spread to balance it out with color. So we have check-in, focus, and so on. Grateful for focus. Be mindful, soul care, body care. So those are just really good headers and I like having them. And I'm just gonna add a quick green header and I am all done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I know it's a little bit different, but I hope you did. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching.